Having grown up in Alaska, it's a pretty unique place. The environment can be very beautiful, remote, harsh. All of these things make it very challenging to operate in Alaska.
There's such a drastic temperature difference between what the lower 48 calls cold and what Fairbanks calls cold.
In the lower 48, it's a cold, nasty days. In the teens, nobody's going to die. The house isn't going to freeze up. In Alaska, when your power goes out and it's 40, 50 below, it's a big deal.
What's most exciting about ESI is that we are an Alaskan company designing and building heaters, generators, pumps right here in the state in conditions that the equipment will be needed in, and often is a question of survival.
A good example is the Salcha store. They're a remote store that services the Salcha community.
For years we didn't have a generator, and during those years without a generator, the power would go out and we would have to shut down the store. That left the community without fuel or other necessities. Shortly after we got our generator from ESI, we had a major storm come through the interior of Alaska, and during that time we were able to keep the store running because of the generator. And so we were able to provide fuel for people, for their generators, for their plows, and just able to keep life going for our community. And that was really amazing.
We enjoy helping customers, whether it's buying a small walk-behind snowblower to clear the sidewalk at your house, general contractors doing construction projects in the summer, to some of the largest infrastructure projects in Alaska.
In Alaska, everything has to be built to withstand extreme colds. So if something wasn't designed for this environment, it will fail in this environment.
There's cold testing and there's Arctic testing. Cold testing in the lower 48 could be considered anything 32 above. Cold testing in Alaska could be anything below zero.
Alaska's a long ways away from most manufacturing centers. To be able to get a quality product quickly up here is not always possible. At ESI, we have our manufacturing here, our design here, so our customers can get the things that they're looking for without having to wait.
All the products we offer, whether we manufacture them or bring them in, we support them cradle to grave. We rent them, we sell them, we work on them, service them, and sell parts for them.
From the Aleutian Islands to the North Slope, we've never turned down a delivery no matter where it is.
ESI is all about innovation. Innovative products for the Arctic, for remote locations. That's why we're here.
At ESI, we really are where possible begins.